all kinds of good stuff. Am I hungry? Think I'll go in and fill up. Phooey, clothes. And just when I'm in the mood for food. That's the stuff for me. Clothes. Why don't somebody open a restaurant in this town? We specialize in stuffing birds. Oh, boy. That's my meat. And he's open, too.
Good morning. May I help you?
Yeah. How about a menu?
I beg your pardon.
A menu. M-E-N-Y-O-U-U. Menu.
Perhaps you mean our price list,
Yeah. What's your ceiling prices? Kinda high, ain't they? Oh, well, I feel like a little shrimp today.
Could be. We all have our off days.
Cut out the smart crack and bring me some food. Bring me some French fried soup and a big T-bone steak smothered in pork chop. And, now let's see what else do I have.
$100,000. Women. Motor cars. Women. Yachts. Women. Mansions. Women.
Hey, Jughead! Bring me my food!
Oh, yes, food. Oh, yes, first, certainly. Fix you right up. Yes, we call it blackout borscht. I broke my window hand.
Fifth floor, hardware, nickelware, woodenware, silverware, underwear, going up.
$100,000. Mansion. Yachts. Women.